Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 3rd, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you haven't seen my full top down analysis, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we had some dollar news today, very impulsive move to the upside, and it did break out of this triangle pretty nicely, so I think it confirms that this is the end of a wave E, which means it's the end of a wave 4 unlike the weekly monthly, and we're probably in a big wave 5. My target for this wave 5 is the 2550, but I would expect a lot of pullbacks along the way. We currently have a Fibonacci retracement on here. I would definitely expect this move down to be a pullback. I mean, it seems with how impulsive up it was that it's more likely that it might go down to the 30 or maybe even more likely to 50 to retest this trend line before we get another entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. If you're a very short time frame trader, you might be able to get a short trading the way B, but I definitely think the better trade is going to be waiting and patiently for the long opportunity for the continuation of this uptrend. And definitely keep in mind that tomorrow is a bank holiday for the US, and I believe that gold is actually closed for most people tomorrow. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.